English with Thomas.
Good morning, Peter. Hello, Ricky. How are you? I'm feeling great, thank you. What about you? I'm doing okay, too. Last weekend, I had to take work home. Last week's workload was crazy. Oh, really? I heard that your department is working on a new project, though. Yeah, that one. We had to prepare a presentation to introduce our new product. A kitchen multi-purpose cooker to the company's investors, and we had to finish it within last week. At least everything's done now. Glad to hear that. Well, do you want to go drinking today after work? It's on me. It's been a while since we went drinking, right? Oh yeah, I would love to let out some steam. At the usual place, right? Yeah. Sure. Okay, I got to go now. See you this afternoon. See you.
Hello, Mr. Park.
Oh, hello, Sam.
What are you doing? Been a while since I last saw you at home.
I am just taking care of the roses in my garden. I just came back from my 1-week business trip. That's why you did not see me home. How are you recently?
I'm fine, thanks for asking.
How's your son doing? He just started college, right?
Yes, and I miss him already. Children are growing so fast. What about Lily, your daughter? How is she doing at school?
Oh, she's preparing her applications for universities. She wants to go somewhere out of town, just like your son.
The kids now just want to be away from their parents, huh?
Yeah, I guess it's good for them to grow up too.
Well, I have to go now. See you around.
Goodbye. If you have time, let's have a barbecue party this weekend.
Sure, I will tell my husband about that. Hello, Jane. Long time no see. How are you? I miss you so much.
Hi, Lisa. I miss you too. It's so lucky that we can meet each other today.
Everything's been great recently. I just got a new job. Really? Congratulations! Where is it? It is a tech startup in Silicon Valley. I will start it next week. I'm super excited about this new job. I've always wanted to work in Silicon Valley. Yeah, you've told me that. I am glad that you can do your dream job. How are you? Not so great, actually. I'm under so much stress now. I'm writing my graduating thesis for my master's degree.
Oh no, studying masters must be very hard. Which step are you on now?
Oh, it's almost done. I'm working on the literature review. Writing a thesis consumes much more time than I imagined. I had almost no time left for myself. Oh, I know. I think you can try meditation to reduce your stress. It only takes about 5 to 10 minutes every day. Oh, I know about that. Have you tried meditating before?
No, but a friend of mine is doing it. She told me that her life is improving a lot thanks to it.
Interesting. I think I will read more about it. Thank you for the advice.
It's nothing. Please pay more attention to your health.
I will. Thank you for worrying about me. Hello, Grandma.
Hello, my lovely granddaughter. How are you? How is school?
Couldn't be a better, Grandma. School is also great. I just won the first prize in the school's tennis competition.
Oh, that's great, Anna. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks, Grandma. What about you? How are you doing recently?
My health's getting better now, thanks to the tea your dad sent. I can sleep better at night.
I'm glad to hear that. Do you want more of that tea? I will tell Dad to send you more.
That would be lovely, but I still have enough for the next few months. I will tell you when I run out of it.
What about your knees? Are they still hurting?
Not as much as before. I'm seeing a doctor now and I am taking medicines. I think they will be all right soon.
I'm glad to hear that you're doing better now.
Yes, I'm glad that you are doing well too. Thank you for always caring about me. So now, what do you want to eat? Do you want some freshly baked brownies?
Oh, yes! I am craving chocolate right now. You are the best, Grandma.